হ্যালো স্টুডেন্ট, আজ পড়ব টার্গেট হাই বইয়ের সিজোফ্রেনিয়ার এমসিকিউ। আগে পড়েছি সিজোফ্রেনিয়ার থিওরি ভিডিও। ফার্স্ট কোশ্চেন, হু কয়েন্ড দ্য টার্ম সিজোফ্রেনিয়া? কে সিজোফ্রেনিয়া শব্দটা আবিষ্কার করেছে? অপশান এ হবে ইউজেনিক বিউলার। নেক্সট, ইন সিজোফ্রেনিয়া গ্র্যাজুয়ালি সাবস্টেল behavioral changes occur in option B হবে prodromal phase. Next, the following are presenting symptom of patient with catatonic schizophrenia except option C হবে disorganized behavior and speech. Next, which of the following is not a part of Bueller 4AS? Option B হবে violence. Next, according to DSMIV, the positive symptoms of schizophrenia include option D হবে অর্থাৎ hallucination, delusion and option D blizzard behavior. এই তিনটা অপশান হবে, তাই অপশান ডি হলো এ বি ডি। নেক্সট, Mr. Raju says that he is the first lead of the world and he is born with a special mission in life. These are symptoms of delusion of grandeur. Option B হবে। Next, Mrs. Gauri on assessment show the following behavior: maintain regret posture, begin mute, hears God's voice, repeating the phrase. অর্থাৎ অপশান সি হবে ক্যাটাটনিক সিজোফ্রেনিয়া। নেক্সট, এ ক্লায়েন্ট উইথ সিজোফ্রেনিয়া আনলাকি টু ডেমনস্ট্রেটেড। অপশান সি হবে এফেক্টিভ সেলফ বাউন্ডারিজ। নেক্সট, দ্য মোস্ট ফ্রিকোয়েন্সি পিরিয়ড অফ অনসেট অফ সিজোফ্রেনিয়া ইজ। অপশান এ হবে লেট অ্যাডোলেসেন্ট টু ইয়ারলি অ্যাডাল্টহুড। নেক্সট, দ্য প্রায়োরিটি nursing intervention for a client who is admitted with paranoid schizophrenia is. Option C হবে provide patient and others with safe environment. Next, characterized of paranoid personality disorder include. Option D হবে অর্থাৎ উপরে তিনটা অপশানই হবে। Next, delusion of grandeur means irrational ideas regarding their own worth, talent, knowledge or power. Option B হলো। Next, a prominent symptoms that last at least for 1 month and helpful to diagnosis paranoid schizophrenia is. Option A হবে delusion and hallucination. Next, when the person feels both positive and negative towards same object, it is known as ambivalence. Option A হবে। Next, empire insight is evidence in. Option D হবে schizophrenia. Next, which of the following is not true about hallucination? Option B হবে it is always pathological. Next, catatonic behavior in schizophrenia is characterized by which of the following? Option D হবে অর্থাৎ উপরের তিনটা অপশানই হবে। Next, a parents of a 20 years old male patient with schizophrenia express feeling of guilt for their son's problem. Which of the following should be a part of family education? Option C হবে explain the biological process of schizophrenia. Next, characterized features of catatonic schizophrenia is. ক্যাটাটনিক সিজোফ্রেনিয়ার বৈশিষ্ট্য কি? অপশান বি হবে মোটর ডিস্টারবেন্স। নেক্সট, দ্য 4AS অফ সিজোফ্রেনিয়া ইনক্লুড অল দ্য ফলোয়িং এক্সেপ্ট। অপশান এ হবে অডিটরি হ্যালুসিনেশন। নেক্সট, ফার্স্ট র্যাঙ্ক সিমটমস অফ সিজোফ্রেনিয়া ওয়ার ডেসক্রাইব বাই। অপশান সি হবে। নেক্সট, schizophrenia is a disorder of thinking. Next, A patient is acquired care psychiatric ward assessed to have hallucination and intense delusion. The nurse understands that his patient should be closely monitored for option D হবে injury to others. Next, example of non-affective psychosis is option A হবে schizophrenia. Next, the effect that is most commonly seen in patient with schizophrenia is apathy and fatness. Next, a 32 years old woman who is admitted to acquired care psychiatric ward with a diagnosis of paranoid schizophrenia refused to take food, saying that the food is poisoned. The appropriate nursing intervention for the client is to option C হবে allow the patient to take packet and canned food. Next, waves flexibility, mutism, brizard posture and stupor are characterized of catatonic schizophrenia. Next, suspiciousness is a typical features of paranoid schizophrenia. Next, a schizophrenia patient is suspecting his faithful partners of infidelity. The nurse understands that the patient is expressing delusion of infidelity. Next, which of the following is a negative symptoms of schizophrenia? Option D হবে effective flattening. Next, in schizophrenia, all the consider negative symptoms except hallucination. Next, schizophrenia is treated by antipsychotics. Option B হবে. Next, waves molding posture is seen in catatonic schizophrenia. Option D হবে. Next, prognosis in schizophrenia is less favorable if emotional blunting occurs. Next, first rank symptoms of schizophrenia are all except option A হবে ambivalence. Next, first rank symptoms of schizophrenia are all except depersonalization. Option A হবে. Next, poor prognostic factor in schizophrenia is option D হবে gradual onset. Next, which of the following is the treatment of choice for patient with schizophrenia who refuse to take treatment? Option B হবে risperidone. Next, schizophrenia drug mainly act on option B হবে D2 dopamine receptor. Next, meaning of term schizophrenia is option C হবে split mind, চঞ্চল মন. Next, cause of premature death in schizophrenia is option C হবে suicide. Next, schizophrenia is characterized by the except option C হবে. Next, characterized clinical manifestation of schizophrenia is option C হবে auditory hallucination. Next, most common hallucination in schizophrenia is auditory. Next, all of the following factors are associated with poor prognosis in schizophrenia except rapid onset of symptoms. Next, most common types of schizophrenia option D হবে paranoid. Next, waves flexibility characterized of schizophrenia is option B হবে stuporous catatonic. Next, which is not classical 4As of schizophrenia? Option D হবে automatism. Next, ambivalence is most commonly associated with option C হবে schizophrenia. Next, schizophrenia with early onset and poor prognosis is heavy-phrenic. Option B হবে. Next, grimy machine and mannerism is catatonic schizophrenia. Option B. Next, dash is the functional psychosis schizophrenia. Option A হবে. Next, a neurotransmitter theory of schizophrenia known as dopamine hypothesis refer to option C হবে excessive of dopamine. Next, in the context of schizophrenia express emotions refers to an adverse family environment with the decreased quality of interaction pattern. Option B. Next, which among the following drug has therapeutic benefit in the treatment of schizophrenia? Option C হবে হ্যালোপেরিডল। আশা করি আজকের ভিডিওতে তোমরা সিজোফ্রেনিয়ার এমসিকিউগুলো বুঝতে পেরেছো। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ।